Your doors do much more than open and close. They protect your home, control energy efficiency, reduce noise, and create a strong first impression. In Conshohocken, where homes range from historic properties to modern townhouses, door problems can quietly develop until they become costly or unsafe. Knowing when to call a professional door installation expert can save you stress, money, and time. Here are the top signs it's time to consider professional door installation in Conshohocken. Your door is hard to open or close. If your door sticks, drags on the floor, or requires extra force to latch, it's more than a daily annoyance. These issues often point to frame warping, structural settling, or improper alignment. Temporary fixes rarely last, and forcing the door can damage hinges and locks. A professional installer ensures proper fit, smooth operation, and long-term reliability. You feel drafts or notice rising energy bills. Conshahocken's seasonal temperature changes can expose door inefficiencies quickly. If you feel cold air leaking in during winter or warm air entering in summer, your door may no longer seal properly. Cracks, worn weather stripping, or an ill-fitting frame can let conditioned air escape, driving up energy costs. Professional door installation ensures airtight sealing and improved energy efficiency. Visible damage or warping. Doors made of wood, steel, or fiberglass can deteriorate over time. Signs like cracking, splitting, rusting, or warping indicate that repairs may no longer be enough. Warped doors especially compromise insulation and security. Replacing the door with professional installation guarantees the new unit fits perfectly and performs as designed. Locks and hardware no longer feel secure. If your door lock feels loose, the handle wobbles, or the latch doesn't align correctly, your home's security may be at risk. Misaligned hardware often results from shifting frames or poor installation. A professional door installer ensures proper alignment, reinforced mounting, and secure locking systems, giving you peace of mind. Excess noise from outside. If street noise, traffic, or neighborhood sounds easily pass through your door, it may lack proper insulation. Older or hollow core doors often fail to block sound effectively. A professionally installed, insulated door can significantly reduce noise intrusion, making your home quieter and more comfortable. Moisture, rot, or mold near the door frame. Moisture problems around your door frame can signal improper sealing or long-term water exposure. This is especially common in older Conshohocken homes. Left unaddressed, moisture can lead to rot, mold, and structural damage. Professional installation ensures correct flashing, sealing, and materials that resist moisture buildup. Your door looks outdated or hurts curb appeal. Your front door plays a major role in your home's appearance. If it looks worn, faded, or outdated, it can reduce curb appeal and even impact resale value. A professionally installed new door instantly upgrades your home's exterior while ensuring proper fit and durability. Repairs keep failing. If you've tried adjusting hinges, replacing weather stripping, or patching damage multiple times with little success, it's a strong sign that professional help is needed. Door installation requires precise measurements, proper tools, and experience. A professional installer addresses the root cause, not just the symptoms. Why professional door installation matters in Conshohocken. Homes in Conshohocken often face unique challenges such as older foundations, varying weather conditions, and architectural quirks. Professional door installers understand how to work with these factors, ensuring your door functions perfectly, meets local standards, and lasts for years. Final thoughts. If your door is causing discomfort, security concerns, or constant frustration, don't wait until the problem worsens. Recognizing these warning signs early can help you invest in professional door installation that enhances comfort, safety, and value. For Conshohocken homeowners, a properly installed door isn't just an upgrade, it's a smart, long-term solution.